Welcome to Reality's Agent Deluxe program. This video is designed to explain how to interpret the data found under the Performance tab. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm using a Chicago database, but as a member, you'll be entitled to the data you require for your MLS. Now let's take a look at performance. We'll go to the first item in the drop-down menu, Combined Ends by the Numbers. We can see that in Chicago, there's 23,817 agents results showing here. Now there actually may be 25,000 agents in Chicago, but this tells us only 23,817 of them participated in a sale in the last 12 months. Our time frames are always set at 12 months unless you change it. You can see data for the current year, 13 months, last month, and so on. So what this Performance tab shows you is how you're doing compared to all the other agents in the city or community you're in. So we can see that of the 23,817 agents who participated in a sale in Chicago, 4,833 of them, or 20.29%, did one deal. Another 3,131, or 13.15%, have done two deals. Cumulatively, that's 33.44% of the agents. So when you reach this point, roughly 50% of the agents in Chicago are doing 4 deals or less per year. So if you set your sights on being in the top 1% of agents, you can see by the list you would need to do 77 deals in order to reach that 1% list. Now, if you work at another city or community, you can filter down first before looking at the Performance tab, and the list will change accordingly. Let's filter by a city first. We'll choose the city of Bartlett and add it to your search criteria. You can now see that the chart reflects whatever you've put into the criteria box, in this case, the results from the city of Bartlett. So we can now see that in the city of Bartlett, only 706 agents participated in a sale, and with 88% of them doing less than 2 deals, it's a little easier to get to the top 1% in Bartlett. You'd only have to do 10 deals to say I'm in the top 1% of agents in the city of Bartlett. Tinkering between your Filter By tab and your Performance tab, you may just find a nice little niche market with not a lot of agents that you can compete in. Looking back under the Performance tab, we'll click on the second item in the drop-down menu, Combined Ends by the Dollars. We can now see the same information broken down into dollar value of sales volumes for those same 706 agents. We can see that almost 60% of the agents in Bartlett did $300,000 or less in sales. So if you did $3 million in Bartlett, you can say you're in the top 1% for sales volume in the city of Bartlett. Keep in mind, help files are available in every drop-down menu by clicking on the little blue question mark, or on any page by clicking on the little blue and white eye icon. Remember to clear your search anytime you need new information, and clicking on the little house box in the top left corner, our Reality logo, We'll take you back to the beginning of your program.